If you've got an idea of the past that's all white picket fences and adorable aprons, well, think again. HuffPost women put together a collection of 11 very sexist, very vintage ads that show just how far we've come. First up, a dimple creator. Yeah, that looks real painful, and she looks pretty miserable. The ad reads, "Dimples are now made to order." Ugh. That looks extremely painful. This next one is actually about gaining weight. It reads, "If men hate the sight of you, read this." And it shows two men running away from a woman on the beach who is too skinny. So she tries ironized yeast, whatever that is, gains weight, and has the same men flocking back to her. I don't even remotely understand that. This next one is terrifying, and it's called the Beauty Micrometer, as perfected by Max Factor. This is a machine that points out and minimizes flaws almost invisible to the naked eye, so makeup can better cover them up. And lastly, it turns out that nice hair, nice teeth, and nice eyes really don't mean anything if you're using the wrong deodorant. That one is actually probably accurate. You can check out the rest of these hilarious and totally sexist vintage ads in our resource well below.